I'm Sakshi and I'm from Yamunanagar. I live in Haryana. Basically, I came here in Ivano-Frankivsk University through Eurasia Education Link. The peoples of Eurasia Education Link are very helpful. We can say there are Rashid sir, Mastoor sir, Azmi sir, Damodar Bhai. They all are very helpful and cooperative. And I take admission here last year in Ivano-Frankivsk National Medical University. Here you get the best university. You can say there is no language problem, like you can say there is Ukrainian language also, but English is the most important here. You speak in English all through, and the teachers are very cooperative. They also study you in English and they are very cooperative. They are available 24 hours. You have no problem in studies. They are very helpful. You have a day-to-day attendance part. You cannot take any kind of leave, absent or anything else, and the teachers help you a lot in every subject, whether it is anatomy or histology and everything. You also get a part of sports subject, which is very helpful in your day-to-day environment. The environment is very good here. You get no trouble in the environment. There is a lot of safety of girls. There is no restrictions like we can't go in night in the areas. There is total security of girls, and apart from the university, we have the most important thing is the food. We get the best food here, like we have the non-veg things and the veg things. Apart from this, the Eurasia Education Link has the mess here, and you can get veg and non-veg both the foods. And and there is a lot of things like girls have a lot of safeties. University gives everything here. It's all. And I came here to Eurasia Education Link. You must go for Eurasia Education Link.
Hello, myself Neha. I am from Ivano Medical University. I have been here from 8 months, and I am a student of first course. I live in hostel here, and the hostel is very good. It is a very cheap city, and the study here is very good. When I came here, I was quite unsure about the city, but it is very nice and it is very cheap. The faculty here is very cooperative. Even we have very less problem in language or anything else, and we come across people here which have different traditions and all, because there are many people from India which come from Punjab, Orissa and other, but they all are very good to us, and they are very cooperative.
My name is Manpreet and I am from Punjab, Chandigarh. My schooling was from the Doon International School from Mohali, Jammu. And I am here with the help of the Eurasia Education Link. The Eurasia Education Link suggests me this university, Ivano-Frankivsk National Medical University, which is in the Ukraine, Ivano-Frankivsk region. I am very happy that they suggest to study in this university, and there is very peaceful. This is very peaceful place. This is very peaceful place, and their environment is very good. The main point is study. Study is also good. We are not facing any problems. When I read this, firstly I read the KBR board. There are also the people from the Eurasia Education Link are present for take care of ourselves, and also there are many situations which they help us, and मैं पंजाब तो ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਾਥ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਹੈ। ਇਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਟ੍ਰੀਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ। ਇੱਥੇ ਦਾ ਹੋਸਟਲ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਹੈ, ਇੱਥੇ ਦੇ ਪਰਸਨ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ, ਫੈਕਲਟੀ ਇੱਥੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਹੈ। ਇੱਥੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਹੈਲਪ ਲਈ ਤਿਆਰ ਹੁੰਦੇ, 24 ਆਵਰਸ ਹੈਲਪ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਸਾਡੀ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਕੰਫਰਟੇਬਲ ਫੀਲ ਕਰਦੇ, ਇੱਕ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਦੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਟ੍ਰੀਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਿ ਹਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਹੋ ਸਾਰੇ। ਐਂਡ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੇ ਮੈਸ ਵੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਵਾਈਡ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਕਿ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਇੰਡੀਅਨ ਫੂਡ ਕਿਧਰੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲਦਾ, ਬਲਕਿ ਇਹ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਪੈਸ਼ਲ ਮੈਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਵਾਈਡ ਕਰਦੇ ਜੋ ਕਿ ਇੰਡੀਅਨ ਫੂਡ ਹੈ, ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦੀ ਦਿੱਕਤ ਨਾ ਹੋਏ। ਸਾਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਕਹਿਣ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਕਿ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ ਦਾ ਕੰਪਲੇਨ ਸਾਰੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਸਾਰੀ ਸੋਲਵ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦੇ। ਸਾਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਟ੍ਰੀਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ, ਔਰ ਮੈਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਖੁਸ਼ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਯੂਥ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ